Hello there, welcome again. So as you can see, it took around 7 minutes to complete this whole pipeline, and you can see it's just now completed. I mean, if I go back and if here I'll click back here, go to the pipelines, and here it is just now completed. 8 minutes ago we triggered and it took around 7 minutes to complete. So once this pipeline is completed, let us move back. Here you can see that publish has been successful. The result has been published to our Sonar. So I'll go here. This is our Sonar cloud. Let me refresh it. So this is the second one is our project. You see here, we have three bugs. We have a 98 code smells and we have 1.1 duplications. Let us open this and analyze it further. So this is very importantly will help the developer to identify issues. So here it says three bugs. Then we can have a look over here that what kind of bugs it is. It is telling that hey, these are the bugs are presented in this which we are using. So these are the bugs. Here you can see the history as well for this one. So I mean it provides a very useful insights to you. Then we have I mean complexity also you can see. Size also you can see the line. There is so many lines of code we have and it analyzed all the statements and functions which it has analyzed. Again, you go back to the summary, then we can also see the duplications, what kind of duplication it has over here also. So this will help. This will basically help you to analyze things very deeply in your code, like what is ongoing, and you can work with your developer to fix those issues. So here it covered coverages like lines to cover is this. So all things has been completed um, by the Sonar. So and you can work with the dev to analyze this and make a necessary action on this, that why we are getting these three bugs. It's a reliability concern, why there are so many duplications. You can work with the developer to remove these duplications and increase optimization, why there are so many code smells. Like it says that code that is confusing, why there's 98 code smells are coming, which don't looks good. So you can work with the team and help them fix this issue. So this is very interestingly, you can see that Sonar will help you to analyze your code with the help of Azure pipelines we did and run this. To summarize, Sonar will help you to detect any code vulnerability. It's a code coverage tool. Then we have created the pipeline in here after setting up a organization in or project in the Sonar. We then have the service endpoint, provided these keys, and then added the prepare, run, and publish. You can do it on .NET. We did in .NET. You can do it on Java as well. Let me know in the section or the feedback if you want to add any more scenarios. I'll be happy to add. I hope you're enjoying it and seeing this report will be great for you as well in your project if you would like to implement. Thank you. We'll see you in the next session. Have a nice day.